Hi everybody, I'm Citron and welcome to Citron Circus, the show where I teach you how to play with your food. In an earlier episode we were making homemade juggling balls out of sugar. And I made the claim that one of our juggling balls was equivalent to the amount of sugar in about 3 or 4 cans of these small Cokes. But I didn't really explain to you how I got there. So in this episode I want to go into a little more detail and go step by step. Fair warning, this is going to be pretty much all math, but I still think you're going to enjoy it. Now, the first question is, why half a cup of sugar in our juggling balls? And this is just because I wanted a nice weight to it. We could have done less sugar, but then this would have been too small to use. And my balloons that I'm using, they don't really fit more than half a cup. So now that we know how much sugar we want to use, we need to convert that into cans of Coke. Problem is, the can of Coke doesn't list how many cups of sugar it has, it lists the amount of grams of sugar that it has. So we need to convert cups of sugar to grams of sugar. Lucky for us, our sugar box tells us exactly that there is 1 teaspoon for 4 grams of sugar. So now all we have to do is go backwards from cups to teaspoons to grams to cans of Coke. So first, let's go from cups to teaspoons. There are 48 teaspoons in a cup. So if we want half a cup, we just need to divide that by 2 and get 24 teaspoons. Now let's go from teaspoons to grams. Like we said before, our box of sugar says that there are 4 grams for every 1 teaspoon. So we need to multiply 24 teaspoons by 4 grams to get 96 grams. Now let's go from grams to cans of Coke. We already know that 1 juggling ball has 96 grams of sugar, and we know that 1 can of Coke has 25 grams of sugar. So we just divide 96 by 25 to get 3.84 cans of Coke. Now, in that other episode, we also used a bottle of apple juice and a box of Yoo-hoo, but those also came out to around 3.84 bottles or boxes. So just to make things simple, I just averaged it all and said, let's use half a cup for everything, because it's easier to use a set of balls that all are the same weight than some balls that are different weight. So that's how we get from 1 juggling ball to 3 or 4 cans of soda. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments any other topics you want me to cover. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye!